So yeah, I just got packing up the 86 with 4 tires and 4 wheels. The way to do it is put your 2 tires here. Now these are 17, 215, 45, so you probably won't get away with much bigger. Then I've got 2 of the rims here, the wheels, as people like to call them, and then I've got the 2 in the back. Now, what you got to do first is you've got to put one in, and then put one in through the front, and then manage to pull it like this is kind of squeezed in a little bit. Then you can stack the 2 there, and then you have to put your 2 rims in there. If they're in a box like mine were, they're not going to fit. And then you can put the final 2, you can leave them in the box and put them on the front seat. There you go. So we've got 4 SSR professors, 4 225, 45 or 40s, I can't remember, 17s. I'm closing the door, I'm going to do it gently, but yeah, no problem. And that's it. Be a lot easier to bring them home. I put 4 wheels and tires in this many times. Yeah.